Hey everybody, Va.Railfan here coming from the Horseshoe Curve out here in Altoona. Looks like we got Amtrak 43 coming uphill westbound. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Hopefully with all these people out here, we'll get a horn show. Here we go, Amtrak 43 everybody. 131 in the lead. Alright everybody, hope you enjoyed the video of Amtrak 43. Oh, westbound through the curve. Thanks for watching. See you down the rails.